Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Key Vault for Azure ML dataset access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Azure Key Vault for accessing Azure machine learning datasets, begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure machine learning workspace you are working with. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access both the Key Vault and the machine learning workspace. Go to the Key Vault section in your portal. Locate the Key Vault you want to use for your Azure ML dataset access. In the Key Vault blade, select the Access Policies option. Click on Add Access Policy to create a new policy. In the Permissions section, grant get and list permissions for secrets. Next, specify the principal that will be granted access. You may use a service principal or a managed identity linked to your Azure Machine Learning workspace. Once you've selected the appropriate principal, click on Add to finalize the access policy. Next, go back to your Azure Machine Learning workspace. In your workspace, navigate to the Datasets section. Select the dataset you want to access that requires Key Vault authentication. In the Dataset settings, locate the section for defining credentials. Here, you will add the Key Vault URI along with the secret name you need to retrieve. Make sure to properly format the Key Vault secret URI. The format typically looks like https://yourkeyvaultname.vault.azure.net/secrets/your secret name. Test your configuration using the Azure ML Studio. Run a simple query or operation to check if the dataset can be accessed using the credentials stored in the Key Vault. If everything has been configured correctly, you should now have successful access to the Azure ML dataset. This authentication method enhances security by keeping sensitive information secure within the Key Vault. Remember to monitor your access policies and Key Vault usage regularly for compliance and security best practices. You're now set to work with Azure Machine Learning datasets securely authenticated through Key Vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.